Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news, Amazon just launched a brand new operating system and an upgraded Fire TV. In this video, we will be breaking down what's new, what it means for your TV setup, and whether it is worth upgrading. So first up, the new system, Amazon's operating system is built for seamless integration with content, voice, and smart home features. It is designed to run on TVs, Fire TV devices, and even smart displays. So you will see the features like universal search, contextual suggestions, and fast switch between the apps and live content. The next thing is that Fire TV upgrade. The new Fire TV supports the 8K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and an improved UI with adaptive brightness. The remote now has a programmable dial for quick volume, input switching, or AI assistant shortcuts. One headline feature is its live mode, that is letting you reduce the latency between the smart devices. For example, when you unlock your door, the TV can instantly display live security cam footage. Also, Amazon is pushing Alexa integration deeper. You can now say, show me last night's news, or play a show my kids watched, and the system is going to learn your habit instantly. Rumors suggest that this upgrade is a direct response to the competition from Roku, Google TV, and Apple TV. Amazon wants to own your living room with smarter hardware and software. So yes, Amazon's new system plus upgraded Fire TV is better than a refresh. It is a bold setup into the smart living space. So will you be buying one? You can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.